Probably another cruisy day today, another 50 k's or so, maybe a bit further, maybe not, we'll see. And then it's a 70k ride into Canberra if we take the easy option today for the following day. And yeah, heaps of bike riders here last night, which was super cool. Everyone's sort of bunching up, and yeah, it's really fun. Went to the bowling club last night and had a good dinner and all that, so yeah, pretty sweet. Got any words to describe your ride so far?
Every day's different, I guess. Yeah, solid day every day.
Highlights?
Highlights, that descent down the Mount Selwyn road towards the Canberra. It was awesome, through that open alpine sort of grassy valley. That was pretty.
How's your hunt ride been so far?
It's been great. Yeah, I loved the high country, I guess, through the Snowy River. It was a bit kind of stark after the fires, but still beautiful.
Very desolate.
A big climb to get there, but yeah,
cool.
Might have been New Zealand in a way.
Yeah, totally.
And doing the Hunt 500 from Omeo, and the hunt's been great. I've been meeting up with friends, and we are now in, where are we?
Adaminaby or something?
Adaminaby. And today we're going to do the last push to Melbourne. We had some rain last night, but otherwise it's been pretty good. Awesome views, lots of crazy climbs and some crazy descents, but it's been awesome.
Everything's a little tiny bit wet, but that's okay. Other than that, we've been pretty lucky with weather, so you can't really complain about that. Let's get on the road. The hunt is in town. The bakery in Adaminaby will be glad to see all the hunt riders go, because they've just been decimated. If you're watching this video, thanks for your great food anyway. Hopefully life gets back to normal soon. Whew. Warming up already. Cracking morning so far on the bike. Sun is out. Got a couple of drone shots of the crew riding.
Hey, going on Drew from Gold Coast and loving the hunt on the 500.
Beautiful. Drew had a bit of a story though. He started early.
I did.
And had some issues with legs. What happens on the hunt? You end up riding with a bunch of legends. Here we go. The story is that you're back, and that's freaking awesome, I reckon.
And I can vouch very heavily for Mobic, rest and physiotherapy.
Yeah, I was so rapt to hear that you were back on the trail again after day one. So
it's too much fun to not be a part of it.
that is what you come on the hunt for. Oh, there should be a fish in that bit of water. Spirit of the hunt gathering at the moment. Last couple of days, all the riders are compressing together. There's people out on the trails, everyone's staying at the same campsites, and that is such a great thing that you've created, Dan. So well done on that. You really feel it as a rider. I do anyway. just people seeing happy faces and getting close to the end. Everyone's had a journey, everyone's got a story, and yeah, it's super cool. G'day guys, how's your hunt going?
Oh, it's great. It's fantastic. The food's great.
Yeah.
The country's great. Everything's great.
Awesome.
So,
climbs are a bit steep, but
yeah,
we're getting there.
Awesome. Where are you guys from?
Canberra.
Beautiful. So you're riding home?
We're riding
Yeah,
home.
riding
This
home.
is the backyard, eh?
Yeah. We did think about pulling out when it got hard earlier, and then we thought we'd just have to keep going to get home, so we might as well keep going as it is. So.
Awesome.
Where's the river? Who knew anyone?
Oh my god, look at the mud in that thing.
Turd.
Nice. No pressure at all.
I think you got to hit it pretty fast.
I tried to pick the line that looks somewhat
Go.
dried out.
Hey!